Hiking in the Niagara Gorge is pretty nice. Here I am at the edge of the water. So this is the Whirlpool, where if you can see the rapids over there, that's the Niagara River flowing down from Niagara Falls and going to Lake Ontario. It's just swinging by there, and actually see a tree that looks like it's on an island by itself, which is pretty cool. And up above you see the Whirlpool Aero car, which just takes you across the whirlpool there. And this is called a whirlpool because it was not actually formed by the recession of the falls or the retreat of the falls from Lake Ontario to Lake Erie. Well, it was formed in part because of the recession of the falls, but what really happened was that there was an underground stream here, and the land above collapsed, and it made like a side area for the Niagara River to flow into. So the water here, it's going around in kind of basically looking from above, a clockwise position, and so it's a whirlpool, a very slow whirlpool. The water down here is much calmer. People go fishing here. But the cool thing about hiking down here is, well, for me, it's the trees, but also the rocks are amazing. There are rocks from glacial formations, or that have been carved by glacial formations. And look at this tree, for example. This is a cedar. It looks pretty small, but I bet you it's hundreds of years old. It's just here, not growing very fast because it's growing out of a rock, but it's probably hundreds of years old. And for sure other examples down here are thousands of years old of cedar or other conifers. So if we go over here, you can see that water is flowing down from the land above, and it's probably about 10 stories high, I'm betting. So anyway, if you're in the Niagara region and you like hiking and nature, very cool place to come.